Hello, dear students. Let us continue with our chapter Composition of Air. In our last class, we discussed about how air is important to us and we even learnt more about air. Right? Yes. And we even learnt about the sources of composition of air. So, dear students, in today's class, we will learn about air pollution. We will learn about air pollution. Sometimes the air gets filled with smoke and dust. Dear students, around us we feel so much dust, right? And that is why from wherever we come, that is from out to home, from wherever we come home, we wash our hands, wash our face, legs, everything, and then we sit, right? That is because the dust is sticking in our body. The dust sticks our body. So, what is air pollution? The presence of harmful substance in the air is called air pollution. That is, whatever the harmful substance is there in the air is called air pollution. Substance which make the air dirty or pollute the air is called pollutant. Okay, what is pollutant? The substance which makes the air dirty are called pollutants. Dear students, in the last class we discussed that in the morning it will be fresh air and at the evening time it won't be as fresh as in the morning. Why is that so? Because in the morning it will be smoke free. That's why we get fresh air. In the evening, due to the vehicle, due to the air from the vehicle, from the factories, the air becomes warm. Time by time, the air becomes warm. That is why it won't be fresh. Okay, students? Yes. Let us find out the sources of these pollutants. What are the sources of these pollutants? When we burn firewood or kerosene lamp, it gives out the smoke. It gives out the smoke. When we burn the fire lamp or kerosene lamp, it gives out smoke. Smoke from vehicles and factories also pollutes the air. Vehicles also blow up dust in air. Carbon dioxide is useful at very low level, but when its amount increases above the normal level, it becomes a pollutant. Did you understand how air gets polluted? Very good. Now, any color or bad smell of air shows air pollution. Bad smell shows air pollution, or any color like black color if you find like air, that is air pollution. Okay, polluted air is unhealthy. It may damage our lungs and eyes. It feels us tired and sick. If the air is polluted, we should wear mask. Mask filter the air and allow only clean air to enter your nose. Here you can see that virus is spreading all over, and whenever we go out we have to wear our mask, right? Why should we wear our mask? So that the disease does not spread from one person to another, right? Yes. So we need to wear our mask like that even when the air is polluted. Okay, students? Yes. So how should we keep air clean? By planting the trees. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. They help to keep the air clean and healthy. So we feel fresh when we are in field, garden or forest. It is therefore important to plant trees. Okay students, I hope you all will also start planting trees. The next one is to use smoke-free lamps or stove. You can see in the picture you get nowadays the electric lamp, right? You need to use that regularly, and the regular stove. You should stay away by using burning, whatever burning things you see, or smoke free. It should be smoke free. Okay students? Yes. We should avoid using cooking stoves and lamps which gives out smoke. Stop burning garbage. You should not burn garbage. We should not burn garbage in our neighborhood. Plastic in the garbage give out harmful gases on burning. It gives out very harmful gases in burning, and it gives a very bad smell, students. So we should not burn garbage in our neighbor. Okay students? Yes. Well maintained vehicles. Vehicles are not maintained or are old give out harmful gases. That is, whichever vehicle is there, it should be maintained good and clean, or else it will give out harmful gases. Okay students? Yes. I hope you all have understood this session very well. Thank you class. Enjoy learning.